What you want from me today? Do what? TUF Gaming? I thought we do last week already.
Oh, last week was the 3070. This is the 3090.
Oh, BFGPU is finally here. 跟我同一个 level one. So we're starting like now.
Yep. Recording. Take one. Go.
Hello everyone, it's Christy.
Hey, the coffee.
Nah. Sorry. Why you want to take away my coffee? I cannot work without coffee, you know. Why you do this? Hello everyone, this is Christina from Salty News Network, and today we are back with another TUF guide. So if you have been following our channel, you realize that recently I have did unboxing and overview for both the TUF Gaming RTX 3070 and 3080 graphics card. And today they plus another 10 and they gave me a RTX 3090, and my collection is complete. Unless they decided to release a 3060 Ti or something. But anyway, without further ado, let's get this monster out of the box. It's always the box out of the box. I cannot. But now I have a problem because I'm supposed to run you guys through all the features of the TUF Gaming graphics card. But apart from the performance, the feature is mainly the same with the 3070 and 3080. It has the same XL Tech fans with dual ball fan bearings, auto stop, military grade capacitors, 2.7 slot design, white vents on the metal backplate, the same stainless steel I/O bracket, and the same dual BIOS switch, and also the RGB lighting. Even the tire marks are the same. So sweet, a whole family kena langgar lorry.
Okay, well, you see, you covered the main points already.
Oh, settle 放工 Okay, bye bye.
Wait, rushing the airport is it? Haven't told them what they need if they want to buy the 3090.
Okay, let Jie tell you. Okay, so I believe most of you guys know that I only like to use the best of the best because flexing is so me. So let me tell you what you'll need if you want to join me in the BFGPU club. Number one, you will need enough power. If you are willing to spend to get good performance, like very good performance, why would you want to cut costs on your power supplies? Like seriously? For the RTX 3090, Nvidia officially recommends a 750 watt power supply as the minimum. The power drawn by the RTX 3090 is actually 350 watt, but don't forget that all your other components also need power. Depending on your other hardware, you might actually be able to use your old 650 watt power supply. But like I said, if you're gonna throw money at a top tier graphics card, do you really want to settle for just okay for your other parts? Number two, your case. I mean, this thing is called the Big Ferocious GPU for a reason, and the reason is because it's big. Duh! Hence, you need to make sure that your case can fit this monster in. So maybe you can just throw your ITS build out of the window, or you can decide to chop this thing into half and still have crazy heat issues. And also, this thing is not just long, it's also thick. The TUF Gaming RTX 3090 has a 2.7 slot design, which means it's going to take up 2 PCIe slots on your motherboard. As for the remaining 0.7, that just means it's going to cover more than 2 slots, and may even block the third PCIe slot depending on your motherboard design, so take note. Number 3. Performance bottleneck. Imagine you're playing in a Dota 2 tournament and you're an immortal rank player, but your teammates are Herald babies that don't even know which side of the map is the base. It's gonna be a loose game, right? So that is exactly what's gonna happen when you're using a good graphic card, but the rest of the components of your rig is noob. Here's what I'm using. An Intel Core i9-10900K, 64GB of RAM, and of course this Intel Z490 motherboard, the ROG Maximus 12 Hero. This motherboard has 3 things to help you optimize your performance. Firstly, the AI overclocking, to optimize your voltage and frequency with just one press of a button. Secondly, the AI cooling, to optimize your fan settings according to your current system load. Third and finally, the AI networking, and yes, you guessed it, to optimize your network settings for smooth, no-lag gameplay. Anyways, I hope you guys now have enough knowledge to decide whether to upgrade or not. And if you are upgrading, you know which one to buy, huh? I hope you guys enjoyed today's overview of the TUF Gaming RTX 3090. If you like it, buy it! And if you like our video, like and subscribe! Okay, I think my job is done here. Okay, thanks, bye! Signing off!
And cut! Good take, it's a wrap!
Arigatou gozaimasu! So I can check.
Cho là.
Yeah, bye á. Ê, copy đấy.